Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I install my crochet passion twist. It's a really easy hairstyle. It doesn't take that long to do. If you guys usually do your own hair and so for example you take 8 hours to do braids, then this hairstyle might take around 4 to 6 hours max probably to do this crochet install. That's one of the good things about crochet. It's just so easy and time friendly to do. But yeah. So first I'm gonna start by parting my hair, of course, because I'm gonna cornrow my hair. Well, actually I'm gonna oil my scalp first. So yeah, I'm gonna oil my scalp with this little meal oil and almond oil blend. Don't ask me yet. Don't ask why I'm blending it, while I'm mixing oils. I know you shouldn't necessarily mix the oils, but I decided to mix it since I was using it for the first time, and I'm also going to do a video about that, so don't worry, the information is coming through soon. And if you're wondering if I got hair growth, yes, I saw hair growth. Was it substantial hair growth? I'm not sure yet. I just know, I didn't check the length yet, but I just know definitely when I was redoing the front part of my hair, I saw like a difference in the hair, so I knew there was definitely some hair growth. Besides that though, I'm gonna start parting my hair and plaiting the front. When I say plait, I mean like braid. So you guys say braids, I say plaits because I'm a Caribbean girl. But yeah, I'm just braiding the front because I don't want for it to have like this. I just want it to look like I'm like I actually braided my hair instead of doing crochet. So that's why I'm like braiding the front part like that, and then I'm just going to use a bobby pin to pin them into the cornrow so it's not like obviously showing. And now I'm just gonna start cornrowing my hair. Cornrows are pretty easy to do, to be honest. If you can braid, then you can also learn to cornrow. I could do a tutorial for you guys if you want. It's like braiding your hair, but you just keep grabbing pieces. So you braid, then you grab another piece, then you braid, then you grab another piece, and you keep doing that until you reach the end where you can fully plait the end of your hair. And now for the fun part, which was pinning my hair. It was really not that fun, to be honest. It was actually a struggle, but we got through it. To be honest, I don't know why no one told me that the pins are horrific. Trust me, when you have that crochet hair in, if you try this hairstyle, they may just itch you. If you're like me with my type of skin, they may itch and cause some irritation in your hair. I had to like keep taking out the pins probably like 2 days after I installed this hair. But yeah, just be careful with the pins. Make sure you're not like sticking your scalp with them. That's one thing about this crochet hairstyle. And now for the fun part and the quick and easy part. So for this crochet, to install the crochet, you need to like open the hole that you see what I'm doing. What you're going to do is to put the crochet needle through that hole and hook it. Then when you're done hooking it, you close the latch and you pull it through your hair. Just like that. I'll explain again, don't worry. When you're done pulling the hair through, what you're going to do is to also put the end of the hair into that hook, and you're going to try and pull the end of the hair through the hole that you created in the beginning to make a knot. So that's all you're doing. You're going to create a knot by pulling the hair, just to ensure that it's secured to your roots. So to explain again, what you're going to first do is to push the crochet needle through the braid or the cornrow, and then you're going to attach the hair piece to the crochet needle by hooking it through the hole in the hair piece, and then you're going to pull the crochet hair through. Once you're done pulling that crochet hair through, don't move the needle. All you're going to do is to put the end of that crochet hair onto the hook so that you can drag the end of the hair through the hole to create a knot. Basically, that's what you're doing. You're basically just creating a knot, a nice little neat knot. Be careful not to do it too tight because you don't want to like drag on your ends. But yeah, that's basically what you're doing. Don't worry, I'll explain one more time. Alright, so for the third explanation now. So the first step is to push the crochet needle through the braid or the cornrow. Once you're done, the second step will be to attach your crochet hair to the crochet needle by hooking the crochet hair onto the needle. You're gonna hook it basically by creating a hole within the crochet hair. There should already be a hole, but yeah, you've created your hole in the crochet hair, and you're going to hook the crochet hair to the needle by using that hole. And then once you're done hooking the crochet hair to the needle, you're going to just pull it through very gently. Pull the hair through your own cornrow or braid. And then once you're done pulling the hair or cornrow, what you're going to do is to not move the needle. Don't move the needle at all. All you're going to do is put the end of that crochet hair onto the hook, and you're going to pull that end of the crochet hair through the hole. And that hole, the hole is a part of the crochet hair, of course, that we were using in the beginning to hook it. So yeah, you're going to pull the crochet hair through that hole, and then you're going to just create a knot. It's simple and easy like that. Everyone knows how to create a knot. You just pull it and make sure that you're not dragging too much on the roots of your hair, and that's it. Really, it's that easy and quick. So once you get used to this type of style, you can do it all the time. The one thing I'd say that I don't really like about this style is how much action your roots are, experiencing. So there's a lot of it's a lot of manipulation to your roots, and it's a lot of manipulation to the roots of your hair, so that's not as good. But I guess this hairstyle can serve as like a once a season type of or once a year type of hairstyle. That's how I do it. As I said before, it's too much manipulation to the roots, but yeah.
Put my head in the clouds, yeah. Don't wanna wake up to no one else. I found the girl of my dream in this life full of sin. Nothing else matter for me, whoa. Give it to me one time, spin it for me one time like so. all mine. Let me follow you in the dark with that glow. Give it to me one time. Spin it for me one time like so. All mine, in it for a lifetime. Oh, why? Nyeko mi dogo. Like me, I may. Like me, I may logo. Oh, why? Nyeko mi dogo. Like me, I may. Like me, I may logo. You take over my life. You take over my life. You so cold. Long time, wouldn't have it any other way for sure. Girl, you know I'm still a fan. Dreaming about you again. Yeah. Baby, you gon' like it. Got me on the night shift. Yeah, just you and I for a lifetime.
But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my video. So at the end, you can just see me, flaunting the hair. And it's a really nice style. It doesn't show really at the back. I guess at the front it may show that you've done crochet. I guess at the front it may show that you've done crochet depending on how many crochet braids you've installed. So if you install more crochet braids, then it wouldn't really show as much. But otherwise, you may be able to see the cornrows if you use too little crochet braids. But I guess you can always hide that by putting more in the middle, basically, or the center. Or you put more here where you're going to part, you put more here where you're going to have like the part that shows the most. So when you've done part of the hair, if you know you're going to have a center part, you put more hair in the center to cover up the cornrows. And that's really like, don't do it too much because it can get bulky. Don't use too much hair because it can get bulky. But yeah, that's it. That's another cute student-friendly hairstyle you can do. Very easy, quick. Not just student-friendly, but yeah, you get the point. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for coming, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Deuces.